Guck mal, was macht denn das Pferd? Das Pferd macht Kacke. Ja. Genau. Guck mal, was hat denn der Mann auf dem Kopf? Was ist das? Wie macht der Vogel? Pipi, genau. Leg dich aufs Kissen. Biber. Bär. Fisch! Und wo ist der andere Fisch? Fisch! Bravo! Der Bär. Ja! Und wo ist der andere Bär? Ja! Bravo!
Can you give me a red? Can you give me a red one, Taya? Bravo! Bravo! Good for you. Can you find a yellow? A yellow? Bravo! Can I draw? No. You're gonna draw? Okay. Good. That's yellow and red. Can you find a blue one? Blue. Like blueberries. Bravo! Okay, you pick color. Good for you. Now a green one. Can you find a green one? Green like trees and like grass. Find a green crayon. Bravo! Looks like the grass. Now this is a hard one. Can you find the white one? Can you find the white crayon?
No.
Where's middle C? Where is it? Perfect. And can you find a lower C? Good. Good. And a higher C? Higher C. That's the highest one. And another C? Bravo!